The Entone Hydra IP Video Gateway comes with 3 remote controls, which are called Universal Remote Control Plus, also referred to in this video as URC Plus or Remote Control. These remote controls are designed to individually control 3 decoders inside the Entone Hydra. Before you can use each URC Plus to control the Entone Hydra, you will need to register or program each remote control. Before we begin, please check the following. Make sure there is a URC Plus logo on the front panel of your Entone Hydra unit. If the unit does not have this URC Plus logo, then please refer to the instructions for the URC version. Make sure your TV is tuned to the right channel. Please contact your local service provider if you are unsure about which channel to use. Ensure that the RF remote antenna is connected to the remote antenna input on the back of the Hydra. This will enable you to use the remote from as far away as possible. And finally, make sure you have fresh batteries installed in all of your remote controls. Now, let's begin. It is recommended that you register or program 1 remote control at a time. To begin, press and hold the OK button on the Hydra front panel for approximately 5 seconds. When releasing the OK button, the Hydra front panel will display RC/REG. The Hydra is now in remote registration mode. On the remote control, press and hold the STV button for approximately 5 seconds. The STV button backlight will illuminate. On the remote control, press STV once again. Both the STV and AUX button backlights will illuminate. Now the remote control is in registration mode. Select a decoder to register each remote. For your convenience, there is a number on the back of each remote. It is recommended that you register the remote that corresponds to the decoder number. Press 1 to register the remote to decoder 1. Press 2 to register the remote to decoder 2, and press 3 to register the remote to decoder 3. Please note that if you don't press 1, 2, or 3 within 10 seconds, the STV backlight on the remote control will turn off, the registration process will terminate, and you'll need to start from the beginning. After you enter a registration code, the STV button backlight on the remote control will blink twice to indicate that the registration process was successful. The Hydra front panel will also display RC/REG D1, D2, or D3 to indicate that the registration process was successful. Your remote control is now registered and you can begin using it immediately. To program your other Entone remote controls, follow these same instructions. If your remote controls don't seem to be working properly, you may be experiencing interference from objects or other devices near the Hydra. To improve your remote control's reception range, try any or all of the following. Place the receiver higher than all of the other equipment in your entertainment center. Provide room above the receiver so that the antenna can be installed straight up. If this is not possible, tilt the RF antenna at about a 30-degree angle. Try moving the Hydra to another location. If you have additional questions, please contact your local service provider.